Hey guys, I just got home and I was very excited to see that the next package from Sleevechief arrived today. So I thought we'd do a quick little opening and see what the goodies are this round. I'm pretty stoked. Okay. Are you ready for this? Because I'm pretty sure there's gonna be a very fun deck box in here. Let's go. Oh man, those teeth though. Awesome. Ooh, and then we got some Zeus sleeves to go with it. Very cool. Oh my gosh. Let's look at this. Just get this opened up here. Packaging feels nice. Let's see if I can open it like a normal person. Nope, not gonna be a normal person today. Okay, good job, Stephanie. Okay. Here we go. Dramatic fold back of the flappy doos. Oh man, look at that. Look at it. Oh, it feels good. Good quality. Let's listen for that snap. The snap. That's the best part of a good deck box is that snap. Alright, ooh, and then we got the inside art here with the Pot of Greed. Still haven't figured out what it does, but I'm very excited about it. And then we've got these nice little greed dividers to separate your extra deck and your side deck. Nice. Oh, that looks great. And it feels great too. It's like that faux suede feel. Let's see what we got over here. A little side pocket. Ooh, the detach. Oh my gosh, it detaches. You can have a whole separate little dice box there. Oh my gosh, I love that. I love that it detaches. And then it rehooks with magnets. Oh, that's nice. Oh, they done good. They done good, kids. This is great. Oh yeah, definitely go check this out. It's on their website. There's a link in my bio. Listen. Oh, yes. Very good. Thank you, Sleevechief. This is awesome. You guys did a great job with the design. You guys should check it out on their website. There's a link in my bio. Use code ART5 to save 5% if you decide to pick one up. Thank you. Side note, I just realized that they even had the detail of the tabs being staggered so that you can have them separate and easily thumb to them. That's great. This is great. Good job. This is awesome. Woo!